So hello everybody, it is Friday, so it's time for another DAX Fridays, a new DAX function every Friday. Now we're going to continue with the video that we did last Friday, which was DAX Fridays 154 currency conversion. So I show you how to do dynamic currency conversion from one currency to another dynamically. So this is how it works. You pick a currency here, and as you can see, it changes the currency on the table. Easy, right? Okay, if you want to know how to do that, link down below. But there was a problem. If I release this, you see this blank is not showing us anything. So there is a trick that will allow you to set the default value on the slicer. This is how you do it. This is so cool. Anyhow, let's go here to the exchange rate, and we need to change this a little bit. So this is how we're going to do it. We're going to create a variable that is called selected currency. And we're going to use the selected value. I have a video on selected value, but I didn't explain this. Let's go through that. We go to report currency. And then there is a second parameter on the select value function. And it says alternative result returns the value when there's only one value in the specified columns, otherwise it returns the alternative result. So if nothing has been selected, you can set a default value in there. Super cool. Let's check this out. Euro. So we say, if nothing is selected, I want the conversion to be euro by default. You can change it to US dollar, to pound, to SEK, whatever you want, whatever rocks your boat. Okay. Now that we have that, we're going to return, and then we're going to do calculate. Wait, calculate. You shift delete, it deletes the entire row. Who knew? It's happened before. You have to just know it. Okay, so now we're going to filter this table. So we're going to filter the exchange rates table, okay, and it's called fact exchange rate, where fact exchange rate report currency is equal to, I'll show you the model in a second, selected currency. So it says give us the exchange rate for whatever is chosen in here. So the factor exchange rate for whatever is chosen in here. If nothing is chosen, give us euro. I pick report currency. Let me show you, because the model looks like this. What is that? Here's our report currency. Report currency filters report currency on the fact exchange table. And the fact exchange table, it looks like this. It's just exchange rates. Okay, so it's going to give a factor depending on what we picked there. So cool, so cool. Okay, so now we've changed these. And now for the exchange rate, the only thing we need to do is to do... Let's do like that. Go in there. You saw that? You saw that? So now nothing is selected. You can see here euros 299.98. If I select euro, 299.98 is calculating correctly. If I selected pounds, 263, I select nothing, back to euro. How cool is that? So if you use the alternative value on selected columns, you can specify the default value. So cool, so cool, and you can use it for so many things. So, you see that I'm really excited about this, but it's so cool. Anyhow, going to stop talking and wish you a good Friday, a great weekend. I think this is already Christmas holidays when you see it, so happy Christmas and happy holidays if you don't celebrate Christmas. And I'll see you again next Monday. Okay, anyhow, I stop talking. Take care and bye bye.